We've just taken a 3.2 kilometer hike along the coast, along the South African coast, a place called Storms River. It's actually a national park here. Pay an entry fee to get in, and then you can camp or take a hike. So we've decided to take this hike, 3.2 kilometers in. It's got to be the most challenging hike I've ever had, and I think Jennifer would say the same. But it's well worth the effort. It's really quite spectacular, the views. And lo and behold, when you get to the end of the hike, you'll come across this wonderful waterfall. And there are people swimming, as you may see. I might go in after. Pretty, I'm sure it's quite fresh. Anyway, this has been a thoroughly enjoyable hike, and as I said, probably the most challenging hike I've experienced. So we're going to sit down, take a little break, have a little lunch. Not that we brought much. A couple little snacks, a bottle of water, take a break, and then head back because we're missing our wine fix for the day, so we got to get our priorities straight here. Anyway, signing off from Storms River. This is your roving reporter, Kayak Ian, and as you can see, just another phenomenal day. Alright, ta-ta!